right here, a policeman stopped the vehicle, stopped us so that he could stand in the middle of the road and make a video. I'm like, seriously, I didn't complain too much because I was like, okay, I get a chance to do a video, but is that how you use your authority? The man block traffic, I said, no, sir. Carnival day. I'm heading there to see what's going on. Except I'm marching, so I'm tired now. So I got up there to see what excitement I go on. What one and more? Their teams. Kingston, aka Jamaica, New York, Jamaica foreign. I know you would want to see more of New Kingston, and I promise you I will show you more on a regular day. Alright, so don't worry yourself. Yeah, so this is the big bad Courtleigh, big bad DJ in Jamaica. First, me I take him in person. Him going with a bag of things, of course. Him full of vibes, bigging up the girls, telling who to tell happy birthday and so on. But me have to cut out a lot of it because of the music and copyright. You see me? Yeah. Chan them come to Carnival. You don't want too much clothes, Mr. Ching. Let's see. High grade hotel. Hey, whoa, hey. You never carry on this world, I know. Never catch the road march because we never come out early enough, but catch look at something so open and enjoy. White man I ride on them bicycle and I steer for me. I can't believe people are soft for me. I'm in a naked. So I have on there, I know the dress here. And enough naked girl out the road and me them up soft. Cause breeze I do me here, man. Sure. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this and I'll see you in the next footage. We're heading to Oliver Samuel's play at the Courtleigh auditorium. So I'll see what I can catch and show you guys. See you.
I knew something was in the building. Me imagine things. We never hear conflict when you're too involved to having an actual impact. Yes, but that after you threatened to push him off. You never threatened to push him. I suggested we jump together. if it was me a drapes up and suggested it joke, I would confess to assassinating Martin Luther.
At the end of the show, Oliver told us that our laugh was so much different from foreign people laugh, even Jamaicans overseas, and it made them want to really act. It was so good, I'm telling you. Yeah, we laugh bad, man. So much for this. So much for this. Hi. Small right. How much for this?
It's $6.50 a pair.
I have a small one to that. As you can see, this is just a little snapshot. I didn't go for Carnival. I went for another event, which was the play. If you haven't seen it yet, it's a must-see. You know, Oliver Yolage, Oliver Samuel, he is the absolute best. We laugh from start to finish. So, you know, Carnival is more about reveling and winding up and nudity and so on. I didn't want to be invasive all up in people's face, so I didn't really take a lot of shots of people. But you get the basic idea. There was food, there was soup, there was jerk chicken, and I went when it was late, so there wasn't a lot of persons on the road at that time, but in the night it was crazy. Traffic jam and the works. All in all, Carnival 2023 would have been a success. There was a lot of police on the road, there was a lot of ambulances and so on, and I'm sure people just enjoyed themselves. It's not my thing, but you know, I'm just bringing you a little bit of the event. All right, so hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Okay, and just in case you're wondering about this video, this is my sister making a video of her creative work. She's a makeup artist and she was advertising for her Carnival makeup, and so this is me being her model. I did a live stream because I just didn't want to waste the look, so there's a live stream on my channel. All right, so that's it. Watch me. I first me already my makeup there. Yeah, man, the girl in makeup and something they turn up. But you know, nobody now look on them face. You know where them a look on already. Alright, see you in the next video again. Bye bye.
Video footage.
I'm gonna say clients them go out with something, you know. Sorry, baby, I take feed, you take it up.